It's so foggy up in here.
Good morning, guys. It is, what's the time? 9:21, and we are all just getting up and getting started with our day. We're gonna go to the beach because it might rain at 11, but hopefully it doesn't.
It's only a 30% chance.
Yeah, it's only a 30% chance, but it's supposed to rain later too, so hopefully it doesn't and we can. It looks really nice right now.
Alex, are those your favorite ones?
What?
Trunks?
Yeah. Well, I like both of them. These are just one of my favorites.
I'm on my very tippy toes.
Holy crap, Taylor.
Oh my God. Here goes a big one. Riley, be careful. Oh, wait. God, guys.
You got another big one coming.
My bottom's ready to go. Joey, you want me to go get her?
Here we go.
I know, that is going to be so funny. She'll be done for the rest of the trip.
Put the whole arm in.
But look at how big it is all the way up there.
Jump in it. Holy. Here you go, I'm going in this side.
Me too. Wait, I went under thinking you were going. Wait, hold on, I'm going in. Okay, I'm gonna get myself going.
Where you want to go under?
I gotta catch my breath.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, that one's not. This one.
Alright, going under?
Yeah. I hope I'm getting it. Yeah. Oh, here goes a good one.
Oh, I got it. You touch?
Yes.
These waves are strong. They can push.
Or do you want me to go to the GoPro one?
No, you're good.
Okay. Oh, here goes.
Going under is the easy way out.
Come on.
Holy cow! What the heck was that? Look at this! Oh my God! Here we go, I'm going into this one. Heads up, heads up, heads up! These are some huge waves. I saw that take you out.
I know it did take me out. I thought
I don't know if I got it on camera, but I saw you. Hey, there's a big one.
those are the kind that'll knock you out. I can feel it when I go under.
Joe, you missed it. I went in there to see
I can feel
Candy
it.
and Peyton, and I rode away from here all the way into the sand. I freaking missed it.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. I don't know if you got that on camera because I literally. Watch, oh gosh, oh gosh.
They're so huge. Look at this. These waves. Alright, that was a little whippy. Woo! This is greatness. Oh my
Y'all
Lord.
better go underwater soon because this one's gonna hurt. Look, look, look. Oh my god, oh my god! Here comes another one.
Kicked me in my face. That's alright.
My bottom's almost.
I ate that one. Not going under, guys. That's so strong. Here we go.
Go get that one, go get that one.
Only my feet are sticking out. No, it's on down. Oh God, you're filming this guy.
Huh? Why did you talk?
Filming this guy.
Can't be perfect.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time? You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, and my reason.
machine. Yeah, smack your clothes down.
Are you getting a t-shirt?
Something different from your eyes. See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. See you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Your voice is getting nearer, heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going, why we gotta feel amplified. Staying to the morning, countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm so.
Dude, I mean buy this
What are you about to do?
What?
What are you about to do?
Feed the alligator.
What are you doing?
Feeding the alligator.
What are you doing?
Feeding the alligator.
Hey, watch out, Pepe. I'm gonna feed this alligator. I'm gonna show him how.
Your honor, I saw you dangling.
Hold
I'm
on,
gonna feed this
hold on,
alligator. I'm
Kylie.
gonna feed him. Hey! Hey, how bad? I want to hit him in his eyeball. Ready? I'm gonna hit it right in his forebrow. Oh! Hey, bro. Bro, hey. Hey.
He ate it?
Yep, I'm clean as a whistle as I pull up in my Rolls Royce. Alright, let me get you. Here's the food.
And then Kylie.
Huh? Yes.
Hold on. Okay. So, I just
You do
pull
like,
it apart
no, yeah, just like that.
and like that.
Yep. Put it in there.
Wait, come here.
Taylor, don't wrap it around
I didn't mean to, Joey.
I can't do it. I'll get really, I'll get really scared and I'll really throw the pole in.
Oh, okay, give it back, dude. Give it back. Wait till I get done eating it. Oh. He won't give it back because it's stuck on him?
No, he's eating it. He can't just like, huh?
Is mine stuck in the alligator's mouth?
I'm just watching it.
It is the same thing with Joey. Oh.
I love you.
What a stud.
Okay, Kylie. Hey, we're touching this after it's been in alligator's mouth.
We got it.
You might. Is it good? Yeah. Okay.
Grab it. Yeah? Grab that bird today. Right underneath your feet.
Oh. He's got it. Oh, it's stuck to their teeth, I think. There you go. Want to do it again now? Sure you don't want to do it again?
Sure, I mean, I guess I will.
Yeah.
What even is this stuff?
Alligator food.
It's good?
Alright, Piper. It's not my turn. Me and you are the team. I let you do it. I hold me in the whole time. Hold tight.
Alright, bro. Let me tap you on your eyelid. Alright, how about?
Oh, God.
Alright, so you can stick up in your food? Hey, there you go. Eat it.
it?
I already did it. Pretty cool.
No, I'm scared. Because knowing me, I'll get freaked out. Me and Dad are a team. I watch him. I'm okay. I promise. I'm okay. It'll be like me.
I can't.
Seeing all the truth behind your eyes. See you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. I see you for a moment, even hope that I can feel you. I see you, all that I wanted was to tell you that I need you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Now I'm finally right here with you. Your voice is getting nearer. Heart is pumping, thoughts are running wild. We got a good thing going. Why we got
That one is creeping.
Where?
He says, I see you. Don't mess with my friends.
Is that what this is?
Yeah.
That dude is like straight.
the feels amplified? Staying till the morning. Countless hours spending by your side. You look at me, I'm soaring. Seeing all the truth behind your eyes.
So yeah, Alex made a friend.
Okay, but can I get one thing?
Just one thing.
Okay.
These shirts are here. But wait.
Hey, you got the thing? Feel it?
No, those can be a nice shirt. I know what I want.
We're getting matching goals. I'm just kidding.
Come on, Roy. You just told her to bring some more of this because
Why does food have to be so good?
Oh my god, this looks amazing.
About to be great. Get my food.
What are these things?
What things?
These things.
I have no idea.
No, they're onions. They're onion looks like chicken, shrimp.
Nope, just these. They meant to have one in there.
So good. Heck yeah.
Roy, it's good.
Hold on, I want to
Dip your
get
finger
this.
in that. That's good sauce, whatever it is.
That is good.
Try that. How'd you get that sauce? I don't know. Are you gonna eat that sauce? Dip your finger. A lot of people like popcorn shrimp. I don't though. I've had it before. I've had it. Look at this hamburger. Oh my gosh.
What's she doing her?
Alright, what's good? Tell me what's up.
We just finished eating at Bud Puckers.
How was it?
Good. Got a food baby.
Food baby, yeah.
Food baby. And now we're going
too.
to H&M. We're going around this little shopping center.
We've been walking around this building for days.
Oh, yeah.
I thought that we could end today off by doing a tour of our condo. I'm standing at the front door. So you walk in and then here's the bedroom. And sorry it's a mess, we all just kind of made ourselves at home. But you have a bedroom, closet, and then it has a bathroom in here. Okay. Then you come down, there's a bunk bed, that's where I'm sleeping. Alex. Walk down the little hallway, got some hooks. Again, sorry, it's a mess. Then you got another hallway. There's a closet right here, a little storage. There's some blow up stuff in there. Not really sure what, but anyways. Then you have the other bathroom. You got a shower, all that good stuff. One of these little things, which I didn't even know was here. All of our bathing suits hanging up to dry because we went down to the beach. Then you walk this way, and you got the kitchen. So we got a fridge, microwave, stove, sink, dishwasher. They're going crab hunting. Yeah, anyways, just a kitchen. You got this nice little thing. Couch, TV, this is a dining area. There's Alex. And then you have a patio. So it's a lot of space, but it's a mess. Then, like we showed you, we went grocery shopping and we got more than just a few things. Looks like we're throwing a party up in here. So thanks for watching. And say goodnight.
Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and we will, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you guys again for supporting us, hanging out with us. There it is. Now you can see my big old afro. Thanks, guys again. Thank you guys again, and we will see y'all soon.
Good night.